How to delete a recipient in Remitly. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete a recipient in Remitly app. Now, if you have saved a recipient in Remitly app and you want to delete them, then here is how you can do it. Simply open up your Remitly app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, once you're logged in, let this load up. Now here you can see on the screen you'll get an interface like this. Now at the bottom of your screen you can see various options: home, recipients, send, rewards, and my Remitly. Since you want to delete your recipient, what you want to do is you want to tap on the recipients option there at the bottom of your screen. Now here you can see I have a single recipient here. No matter how many recipients you have, if you want to delete them, what you want to do is you want to open up, simply tap on the recipient or open up the recipient that you want to delete. Now in my case I have single one here. I'll just open it up. Once you tap and open it, at the top right corner you can see the option edit. Simply tap on the edit option there. Once you tap on edit option, if you scroll forward down below, all the way down below, you'll find three different options: delete, cancel, and save. Simply tap on delete option and it'll ask you for confirmation, really delete. Now if you want to send them in future, you can add them to your recipients again. However, if you want to delete it, simply tap on delete option and they'll be deleted. So you can see recipient deleted here. So this way you can delete recipient in Remitly. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.